Everyone. In today's video, I will be showing you how to buy XRP using Trust Wallet step by step. Whether you are new to crypto or just looking for a simple way to purchase XRP, this guide will help you get started quickly. So now let's jump right in. If you don't already have Trust Wallet, you will need to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. So once it is installed, open the application and create a new wallet. Here you will need to make sure to write down your recovery phrase and store it somewhere safe. This is the only way to recover your wallet if you ever lose access. Now that your wallet is set up, you will need to add XRP to your wallet list. Open Trust Wallet and tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Search for the XRP and enable it. This will allow you to see your XRP balance once you make a purchase. One of the easiest ways to buy XRP is directly through Trust Wallet's built-in purchase feature. So to do this, open Trust Wallet, tap on XRP, and then select Buy. Choose the amount of XRP you want to purchase and select a payment provider. Enter your payment details and complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, your XRP will be added to your Trust Wallet balance. Now, if XRP is unavailable for direct purchase in your country, you can buy it from a crypto exchange like Binance, Qcoin, or Kraken, and then transfer it to Trust Wallet. And here's how. Buy XRP on an exchange. Sign into your preferred exchange, purchase XRP, and go to the withdraw section. Now in Trust Wallet, tap on XRP, then tap Receive to copy your wallet address. Next, paste your Trust Wallet address into the exchange withdrawal section, confirm the transaction, and wait for the XRP to arrive in your wallet. Once your XRP purchase is complete, check your Trust Wallet balance to confirm the transaction. If you don't see your XRP right away, wait a few minutes as some transactions take time to process. You can also check the transaction status being or using a blockchain explorer if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to buy XRP on Trust Wallet quickly and securely. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.